I want to help blind people because I want them to live in safe. I'm interested in vending machine with donation money. Business corporation name is Yumaya. This company run and sell cold beverage in Osaka. Mr. Kimura is representative executive. This company was established in Showa 43 years. Number of employees is 15. I talk about working flowchart setting the vending machine business assignment. Firstly, Yumaya's company asks customer explain document. Then the customer need to select the product lineup of request, including a place of installation, number of installations and sales results. Next, Yumaya's company proposes the place of installation. Third, if the customer combines suggestion, the plan, Yumaya makes a contact with the customer and prepare setting place and administer as soon as possible. Fourth, Yumaya's staff make the basic stage and needless electric construction. Yumaya absorbs expense of setting. Fifth, Yumaya conducts work such as replenishment of product, collecting money, performance, and take care waste cans and maintenance the vending machine. Lastly, the customer have to pay sales charge proceeds from sale. Also, Yumaya design handing beverage. There are 3 kinds of vending machine. Standard type that we see vending machine everywhere. It's set cool temperate function and can accept can, bean, and a plastic bottle. Compact type is small size vending machine. Setting space is small, so can set in a tiny space. Eco type decrease amount of consumption. It's designed to reduce CO2 emissions than general vending machine. It is important that we know information about blind people. If you find the vending machine, please donate.